Hello everybody, it is me, Jennifer Bunny, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make balloon origami, which looks like this right here. And if you look, it's like this, and you can blow it up, and now it's blown up, and you could also shrink it back down. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. So first you're going to need a square piece of paper, and you're going to fold it so that there are 8 lines. There's going to be an X and a plus. So let's do that. An easy way to do this is by folding it into a triangle and then folding it into another triangle by grabbing each end. And then by doing it once more. Now that you've done that, you're going to unfold it all. And it should look like something with 8 lines across it, like a pizza, a square pizza. So now you're going to fold it so it's outward, right in the middle. So you're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to unfold it, and there should be a pop out. It's going to pop out in the middle so that there's kind of like a valley. So now you're going to go right in the middle. You're going to press it down, and then it should like go inverted like this. You're going to grab each side of the paper, and you're going to fold it to here, and then that top part, you're going to make it look like a triangle. So you're going to flatten it down, and then it should have this triangle shape to it. And make sure these two line up. Now that you've done that, and it should have a design somewhat like this, you're going to get each point of the triangle and fold it up to the tip right here. Do this with all 3 sides. Now that you've done this, and it's like a balloon, kind of, well, not yet, we're going to grab the end right here. This is going to be the middle line, right in the middle. You're going to grab these ends, and you're going to grab the end and put it into the middle. Here we go. Now we've got this, but wait, we are not done yet. We're going to grab, there's going to be one side that does not have the entrance in it. As you see, there's no way to put your mouth to blow it up. So then you're going to go on the other side. And as you see, there is a hole here to blow it up. So on the side that there is a hole, you're going to lay it down. So the hole would be up here. And on the bottom side, so basically the point without a hole, is going to have these little flaps. And if you look inside these triangles that you just folded, there's going to be an entrance for the little flaps to go into. So you're going to put this side of the triangle into the flap right here.
Press it down so it's all nice and sturdy. Do this with the other 3. Trust me, there is. Open it and put the triangle inside.
Okay, now you should be completely done. Now, at the side that there is an opening, we're going to blow into it. Now, I'll show my face for this one. Now, let's learn how to do this. So, there's going to be an opening here, and you're going to kind of like make it open a little bit more. You could grab an end of the scissors if it's too small and cut it off. So, we're going to get the scissors and like just chip off a little bit, since mine is a little hard to open up. And now, if you hold each side like this, and you should blow. Which is a balloon. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!